And as you can see, with the assistance of FIFA through the years, we started building. We started changing. We're getting the courses done. We're getting qualified coaches. We're getting better programs. We're starting to get better competitions. We're getting more involved. And that was the start. And at the moment that Mr. Infantino took over as president, which made the funds bigger, the more funds available to develop football, we also knew there's a new opportunity for Aruba's football. And I always use this saying, it's better to be prepared and not to have the opportunity than to have the opportunity and not to be prepared. And one of the challenges that was always here in Aruba was the infrastructure. You can look around and you have to see, especially with nowadays, with internet, all these players, they can look around the world what means a good football infrastructure. And we have to admit, we don't have that here yet. But we're working on it. And once those funds were available, and I already knew the biggest challenge is the infrastructure, because there is where football starts.
It has been almost 8 to 9 years that Aruba has been, through the AVB, busy in planning how can we invest in the future generations of our island. Today marks only a small beginning of what we have as a vision and mission for our community. For us, and especially this, for the FIFA representatives, this means much more than football. It's community building. It's creating opportunities for our people, our children, our youngsters, which are highly in need of it. Not only through sports, we build other abilities that we do not find in books, but also through sports, we build a better community that can carry what the government and the whole community desires for their island. So for me being or standing here as the governmental party, part of this process with you guys, we are very proud that we have people in our community, such as Mr. Lacle and the federations and clubs and organizations that have carried sports in Aruba without having all the necessary. Because not having the infrastructure has never put aside that the energy always remained as it's supposed to keep on investing in the future of our community. Today is a big celebration, not only for Nacional, the District of North, but the community as a whole. And I'm very happy and proud to also be part at this stage of this project, to be part of it.